iFixitAll here, Team iFixitAll. Fix your dryer heating element. So if your dryer is not heating and you've tested for continuity across your thermal switches and your other safety accessories, and you discover you don't have continuity on your element, that's from those two. If you just put a meter across there, you should have tone or 0 ohms. I won't demonstrate how to do that. That's simple. But this is one continuous wire ran up one side. It comes around and back down the other side. I found a break in mine. And my repair is right there. What you do is you take a razor knife, scrape it good and clean where you plan on slipping this barrel over. A lot of people are using electrical fittings, cutting off the ring terminal, and various electrical fittings like that. Cutting off the ring terminal end and the other end they're using and slipping it on just like I did. But those ring terminals, the barrel is slit down one end, or down the full length. And it's not a guaranteed connection. I tried to think, what is it that I have that's already a cylindrical tube that's very small but very durable? Rivets. I happen to have some of these rivets. And what I did was just grab the rivet part, tap the pin out, get rid of this part, and then you just cut off the length you need. That's what I did. And I cut off a piece. And I crimped it on and left myself a little bit of an overlap on either side. Now when it comes to crimping, if you don't have crimpers, well, or SOL, you got to figure something out, because you got to make that connection durable so that when these elements heat up, this connection still maintains a connection. That's why I bent the little ears up a little bit, the ends of the wire. I bent it so that this metal is a special resistance wire. You don't want to be bypassing too much of this wire, so I just kept it at a minimal. The total length of this wire is relative to your kilowatts of heating capability. Make the wire too short, or what, you're just going to mess your dryer up. Now, any old crimper will do, but I happen to have this kind of crimper, which is specifically for automotive style connectors. Worked out pretty good. Give me a nice crimp. I recommend that you take the heating element out of its factory little doghouse that it's in. You can figure it out so that you can work on it. When you get done, you should have continuity from here to here. That's all. Just another one of those random how to fix your dryer heating element. Again, try to find something that is already in a tubular format that's malleable, and remember that when you slip that little section of tubing over, to bend your little ends out a little bit so that heating and contraction, when this element expands at a different rate than your splice, that if they try to pop apart, try to separate, this guy's still going to remain in place because you got the wires bent a little bit on either end. Safety factor. And if all else fails, it's going to break somewhere else again. Put one on order after you make this repair. And then when it does fail, you'll have the part you need. The next time you have to open it up and take it out and do the repair, you can just do the replacement. Have a great day.